it actually worked. Might as well unbox it. You guys probably saw a recent Ghost Feed 2 announcement, and now you're excited to see what's in the box. Let's take a look inside, see what the hype is all about. Keep this box. Keep it. So this is the upgraded folding mechanism that everyone's talking about. While the previous folding latch was secure, we heard enough feedback from the community that we thought it needed upgrading. Now with the simple push of a hidden release button on the inside of the latch, you can fold your Ghost down in seconds. It's pretty stiff out of the box, which is a good thing, so you can feel secure while riding. You'll also notice the stem is a different shape, now thicker and less prone to wobble over time. Now when it comes to the motors, a lot of people have asked if they were 800 watts or 1000. And while the previous motors were rated for up to 1000 watts, they were capped at 800 each. But now they've been unleashed to reach their maximum potential. Oh, in order to handle that extra acceleration and power, we had to reinforce the rims and make them stronger. On top of all that, you can still expect the same raw power as before with slightly better acceleration and the same minimalist design. This one's for all the enthusiasts who wanted to back to basics, go anywhere, do anything performance scooter without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for the setup guide coming soon. Peace!